Having a process in place to gather feedback from your current customers is a great growth opportunity for insurance agents. And when we're talking about growth, really I'm talking about two levers, right? The first is increasing your premium by selling new policies or increasing policy size, things like that. The second is reducing churn and increasing your renewal rates. When we're talking about increasing premium, really there are three ways that you can do that as an insurance agent. The first is to add new households to your book of business, sell brand new policies. The second is to increase your policies per household. Basically, we're just talking about cross-sells there. And the third is increasing premium per policy. We're talking about upselling, increasing policy size. Any of those things will increase your top line premium for your agency. When we're talking about reducing churn, really it's just a matter of providing a quality customer experience, resolving concerns, building relationships, providing quality service. Anything you can do to have positive interactions with your customers will increase the likelihood of them renewing and you earning some revenue off of those renewals. So having a feedback process in place is so important because it lets you know who is satisfied and who is dissatisfied so that you can focus on either saving them or selling to them. So for example, if you knew somebody was satisfied with your services, they're a great candidate for you to upsell, cross-sell, ask for referrals. So you might say something like, once you find out that they're satisfied, you might call them up and say, I just wanted to call and say thank you so much for providing the positive feedback to us. It means a lot that you're having a good experience. While I've got you on the phone, I'm looking over your policies and I noticed that you don't have an auto insurance policy with us. Is that something you have with a different agent? Can I get you a quote for a bundling discount and see if we can save you some money there? Simply by knowing that they're satisfied, you know they're a great candidate for you to call and have that sort of productive conversation with them. An example of how you might save a dissatisfied client is that when you reach out for feedback, maybe they tell you about a problem that they're having and you can call and resolve that concern before they actually leave you and go look for a different insurance provider. Here's an example of a specific one we've actually gotten from our clients' customers in the past. Somebody might say, I reached out to you about estate planning for life insurance and I got zero follow-up about it. So there's something that might have just slipped through the cracks. We understand these things happen in an agency once in a while. But by knowing that they're dissatisfied for that reason, you can call them up and make sure that you solve whatever that problem was, give them the information they're looking for, create a positive experience, and then they're less likely to churn at renewal. At Lyft Local, just for example, the way that we do customer feedback is we send out emails with a 1 to 5 rating scale and ask for customers to provide their feedback on a scale from 1 to 5. Once they click one of those ratings, we record it in our dashboard so that users are able to go log in and see who's satisfied, who's dissatisfied, and then use that information to either upsell, cross-sell, ask for referrals, or to retain clients in the ways that we talked about before.